Hello friends, it's Nikki here and welcome to my channel. It is time for Second Saturday Art, and for July we had prompts of Frida Kahlo, Lollipop Day, Lipstick Day, Moon Day, Rainy Day, Books, Sunshine or Donut Week. Donut Week sounded lovely, but I went for Frida instead. So I'm using watercolour here. I'm using the Neocolour 2 by Caran d'Ache, one of my very favourite watercolours. It's been a rough time of getting this video out. As you'll see from the editing of the video, it is not my best. But anyway, this is super sped up. I wish I could actually paint in this speed in real life, but I can't. So yeah, Frida. The last time I painted Frida, I actually did a little bit of background history for her, but I'm not going to do that again. I'm just going to say that it's been a hard month this month. We lost the electrics on the boat and we had to have them replaced, and bloody blah blah. Cost £16,000 to get it all done and sorted. And it was a huge job. We had to take all the ceilings down, we had to go behind cupboards, and it cut things away, and they're still not all patched up, and it's all very makeshift at the moment. But we're getting there. We are getting there. The boat is coming back to life, and it's actually very difficult when your life is chaos to make art and be happy with what you're doing. So it'll be a process to get back into it for me. As you can see here, I'm blotching and wiping off and blotching, and I'm not happy with it again, but it'll be what it will be in the end. And towards the end of the video, I can't get my camera working with the StreamYard again, and so I had to make a movie, and I don't want to make a movie because it takes up all your memory in the thing, and oh my gosh, this is going to be a whingy one, so I better stop now. If you can hear creaking, it's my chair. It's my chair that I sit on. The floor is very uneven here where I'm sitting, and it's very difficult to get a comfortable painting position to video, and hey ho, that's life when you live on a boat. It's very cramped. It's only 36 foot long. It's I forget what it is wide now. It's something like 8 foot wide or something like that. It's very small living quarters. But anyway, here we go. It took me 3 goes to actually make a drawing to start with. I was going to video the drawing process as well, but I'm glad I didn't, because there was a lot of rubbing out. Draw, rub out, rub out, rub out, draw, rub out, rub out, so it's a bit like the painting process as well. But hey, I should be sat here telling you what colours I'm using, but I'm not going to, because I can't, my eyesight is so bad now, I can't actually read anything that's really small writing. So that's another problem I'm coming up with. I've got cataracts and developing, and my vision is going, and it's all hey. But anyway, here goes. No more moaning. And as always with watercolour, it's playing with the light and the dark, isn't it? Making the lights light and the darks dark. And now my voice is going as well. It's a very hot day. We've got all alerts in the area for the heat, and it's lovely. It's unusual to be so hot in the UK, but we are very hot at the moment. So I'm doing the flowers in her hair. It's kind of like an abstract thing I'm doing, really. It's inspired by a painting, acrylic painting, that the art Sherpa Cinnamon Cooney did for Frida Kahlo, and so it's based on her drawing of Frida Kahlo, and I've actually painted her in acrylics, but sold that painting a while ago, so I can't even show you that one now. But here we go with a nice little watercolour. The reason why I'm doing watercolour now, obviously, is because it's quicker. It's quicker than doing the acrylics. And yeah, it took a long time to get the face shades and things correct. And the one side of her face is still too dark, but it'll be what it'll be. As we go through here now, as I come to the end of this painting of it, I couldn't go any further with the painting, I felt. So I decided to get one of my ink pens out, one black one, and just reinforce it. And this is where my problems started, is because I thought I was videoing it and I wasn't. So, so at some point the video will skip, and you will get some of it. And then I got so frustrated in the end that I took the camera into my hand and tried videoing at the very end, and that was not successful. So but I'll leave it in anyway, because it's all part of the process, isn't it? Once I can get my camera sorted, it will be much easier for me to make videos. And then once I've remembered how to make a video, that'll be much easier. How to edit the videos. Editing is a mystery to me at the moment. It's a lot to remember, and I can't bring up my memory on my computer with my videos, so I'll have to find out how to all transfer it onto a hard drive, which is the best thing to do, isn't it? That's why I wanted to use StreamYard, because I can just dump it on StreamYard and it's not on my camera. So here we go. I thought I was filming, but I wasn't, so I've picked it up and I'm just putting in some highlights and things now. So I want to say thanks for watching. Follow the links for the other artists taking part in this month's video hop, and I hope to see you all again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.